Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the best Hollandaise sauce. First, gather your ingredients: 3 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. You'll also need a heat-proof bowl that fits snugly over a small saucepan, plus a good whisk. Using fresh, quality ingredients is key to achieving that rich, vibrant flavor. Now, let's set up your double boiler. Place your heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with about 1 inch of simmering water, making sure the bowl doesn't touch the water. Add your egg yolks and lemon juice to the bowl. Whisk continuously and vigorously over the gentle heat. This process cooks the yolks slowly, preventing them from scrambling, and creates a light, airy base for your sauce. Keep whisking until it thickens and lightens in color. Once your egg mixture is thick and pale, remove it from the heat. Now for the magic. Slowly, very slowly, drizzle in your warm, melted butter while whisking constantly. This creates the beautiful emulsion. Keep whisking until all the butter is incorporated and the sauce is smooth and glossy. Season with a pinch of salt, a dash of white pepper, and a tiny bit of cayenne for a subtle kick. Sometimes Hollandaise can be a bit finicky. If your sauce breaks or separates, don't panic. Just whisk in 1 teaspoon of hot water or even a fresh egg yolk to bring it back together. To keep it perfect, serve immediately or keep it warm in a thermos for a short time. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade Hollandaise over eggs Benedict, steamed asparagus, or perfectly poached salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.